it's less than 28%. You reduce the long-haul trucking, obviously, as part of landfill generations. Energy benefits. Waste-to-energy produces electricity with less environmental impact than almost any other source, and it provides baseload power 24/7. Economic benefits are great. WTE, waste-to-energy, offers predictable waste disposal costs over time, and exporting to distant landfills is being reduced. I mean, that trucking creates obviously CO2 in its own fact. It creates green jobs over a period of time and obviously during construction. Developments in public-private partnerships. The facility which is currently being implemented here at Allard, which will generate about 20 megawatts, 20 to 21 megawatts of clean renewable energy at the end of the day, is a public-private partnership with the Delhi government. And it shares risks. It brings investments. The investments are all from us. And it provides managerial experience, as well as we are able to do a technology transfer by bringing in the resources from overseas. No public sector finance is required. You pay as you use and you recycle. With high levels of government investments, it's unlikely that investments in these capital-intensive projects will continue, and therefore PPP is a sustainable way of resolving this. The key success factors, however, for PPP projects are the promotion of a user pay or a polluters pays principle, a fair and comprehensive agreement under a contract with a long-term concession agreement with proper incentives for both parties, and contractual arrangements including a review of potential revenues. Just lessons learned, and this is one of the last few slides. What is the key to success in public-private partnerships with regards to waste-to-energy? There needs to be in the agreements a minimum put or pay arrangement, because then only you would be able to sustain the investment. Thorough market analysis needs to take place by the operator, the owner and operator, in order to determine the calorific value, in order to design the boiler and a proper firing diagram. The tip fee arrangements should be as such that we promote integrated waste management, including collection, transfer stations, and ultimate disposal. Recommendations for a properly structured PPP. The risks in a public-private partnership should be divided and being put to the best party who's able to manage it. Public-private partnerships can be very challenging because you're dealing with a number of different stakeholders, but the rewards could be high, both for the public and the private sector. And this is the last slide with some photos attached to it. This is an overview of the facility which we're currently implementing at Allard. The installed clean renewable energy capacity is 20.9 megawatts. It's a concession with both NDMC as well as NDC to deliver the waste to our facility during a 25-year concession agreement. And the revenue model is as such that we will be supplying clean renewable energy into the grid. Project value for the first stage is over 200 crores, and we are currently under construction. Commissioning is planned for mid this year. We are CDM registered with UNFCCC for earning carbon credits under the facility, and it is the first and largest integrated waste management project in the country. Just to show you, on the left-hand side, part of the plant, the third boiler structure is up. The air condition control building is up as far as steel structures are concerned. And the foundation work for the flue gas cleaning systems, the backhouse filtering system, is well on its way. On that note, I thank you very much for your attention. I'll be happy to take any questions which you may have later on. Thank you.